Big wave!
Zoe, right here.
Where is animal? Who? Call. Buffalo? Hi. Hey man, you look like me. Muslim?
I am Muslim.
Inshallah, Assalamu alaikum. See, this is the lighting of Muslim.
Yes,
Iman.
sir. Yes, sir.
MashaAllah. May Allah protect you. May Allah bless you, brother.
Appreciate you. I appreciate that.
Say Ameen.
I mean,
Yeah, Ameen means may Allah accept you.
I mean,
One day she will be grown, you will be, I will be died.
I mean.
So,
What can I ask you? What mosque do you go to?
it is a Muslim, what is the good thing in Islam? You know, we can go anywhere, but we
Anywhere?
live, yeah.
So it doesn't matter.
No,
Okay.
not like other religion.
So I missed Juma last Friday. I felt so bad, right? Because I couldn't make it to the
This
mosque
is a
I go
good
to.
thing. This is a good thing. Bring your children too.
Yeah, gotcha.
Because this country, if you read your history, long time ago you were Muslim, all your
We all
ancestors.
were. Yeah.
So how they change? Because of disconnection from mosque.
What is your name?
Aslam.
Travis.
Your name?
Travis.
Charles.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Charles.
Yes, sir.
Must read Quran,
I do.
must read, then try to
I have to get better
follow,
with prayer. I have to get better with prayer.
follow and preach.
Man, preach.
Preach is
Okay.
most important, brother.
Gotcha.
And lot of Muslim people reverting in Islam. Islam is not converting, reverting.
It's revert.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So if you see somewhere, I live in north side.
Okay.
There is a lot of mosques. And some mosques, every day people coming. Right? Some places, every day people coming, becoming Muslim. Accepting Islam. Every day. Without inviting, they
I
are
took my
coming.
Shahada in 2019. 2019.
COVID time.
Yeah.
How did you become Muslim? What
So-
thing attract you?
So I have a friend who's Muslim, and he goes to the mosque every day pretty much. And one day I was just like, feeling a little desperate.
Your heart
Yeah,
was
my heart was heavy.
heavy.
It was heavy. So he took me, and the imam literally just welcomed me, gave me a hug. It was just, I felt so welcome. My very first time there, I was like, okay, this is for me. He told me there's no expectations, right? Allah forgives. I'm coming in with a
Yeah.
clean heart, a clean slate. And that was just motivating for me. And then I love
Which
it.
place?
In
Chicago?
it's 95th and Harlem.
Oh, okay.
Harlem. I forgot what neighborhood that is.
Yeah, and then you
Sticky or
figure how
something,
you,
yeah, out there.
there is the Imam Farooq.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where you go?
No,
No,
I know.
You just
because
know.
I know.
Got you.
I know. Sometimes if I'm like if I'm here, if I see some mosque here, we go there, pray.
Just to go. That is right. Okay. So I won't feel bad. I feel like I can't just walk in any one of them without somebody being like, "Hey, what are you doing here?" But it seems like they're not gonna say that, right? They just gonna let me come pray.
Yeah.
Got you.